in Pitchin and I'm gonna ride a horse at Tanat Horse Farm.
That's soft.
Yeah, the nose is really soft.
Can you take me to the stable tour, please?
Okay, I guess this is the stable.
โอ้คอกใหญ่มากเลย
All the horses are outside. So most of the horses in the stable are out eating the grass over there. Yeah. So we'll go see them. Yeah.
You know what we forgot?
What?
We forgot the gloves.
I don't care, right?
Alright.
Blinky.
Blinky. Warm up, right?
ให้น้อง
Okay.
ตัวน้อยเก่งมาก
ว้าว
โอเคเก่งมากค่ะ
โอ้
เยี่ยมเยี่ยมนั่งแน่นๆค่ะ
ออกมาโอ้ว้าวอุ้ยเอาดอกไม้สวยนะลูกเนาะอะไรนะดินมันยุบๆเนาะ Can you show us mango? Yes sir ma'am. Where is a mango? That's a mango.
เก่งค่ะเตือนไปเลย
เอาวิ่งเลยเหรอ
There's evils over there.
Uh-huh.
Next thing. I always want an emu in Roblox.
มาเลยหลังชนเพื่อนมานะคะครับผม
นี่
เห็นไหมไอ้รูลุ้งหลังไหม
So where is the buffalo? You see it yet? Blinky? Have you found the buffalo yet? Not quite, eh? There? Oh, there! I see.
When to do as they say, follow the leading horse.
Yay! Yeah. Ay! Kuha.
There are buffaloes.
Oh my god. They're huge.
Oh my god, that's
Are they staring at us?
There's how should I call them?
ดีค่ะตามองไกลๆมุ่งหาทางตามองเลยแล้วดึงเลี้ยว
โอ้
เยี่ยมนี่ขี่มาเร็วได้สบายอันขบอยที่นี่ก็มีนะครับ
เหรอคะ
That's right, I am crazy. And I just finished barrel. It was fun.
So what animals did you see today?
We saw an emu, we saw an
Two
buffalo, and we saw horses.
What?
We are on horses.
Of course.
Yes.
We didn't see the
And-
pigs yet.
and
I heard they got pigs.
I didn't see the pig yet. I see butterflies. My horse is called Mina. What else did I see?
I see mango. Where's the mango? Can you show me the mango?
Where
Where is it? Where's the mango again?
Well, you're the leading horse.
No,
Why
we're
not
on the
go?
same. We're on the same page.
Yeah.
We're going together. Isn't it good going together?
It works.
Huh?
It works.
Right.
Hard to keep it under control. so
That's big mango. Big mango on
that
your
big
right.
mango.
Big mango on the right.
So the trip was fun, and they also gave us a free 30 minutes. I also did barrow at the end. I take another walk around, and well, the horse didn't want to go again, so yeah. Yes. Anyways, that's it for today. So bye. Thanks for watching.